So now you know how to do basic making drawing and basic drawing modify command. So let's move on to drawing management and dimension too. So first of all, let's start with the dimensioning. So for dimensioning, the annotation panel is the one that we will use. So for dimensions, you have this one, the dimension, and then the linear one. So for this one, I want to use linear. So I click on the linear icon, and then I click one point here and one point here, and I will locate down, drag down to this area. Okay, so let's say if you see the dimension is not suitable for the diagram or the object, maybe it's too big, maybe it's too small, you can actually modify by click on the annotation. It will have a this kind of the tool. So you select the dimension style, and then you go for the modification, and then you can extend, make it bigger or make it small. It's up to you. Let's say if I want to have like 30, and then okay, then close. So I click, and then I click one point, another point, and then this one much more smaller than the 200. Okay, let's say if you have a circle, then you can actually determine by the radius. So you just click the radius, you select the radius, and then you select the circle. So it will pop up the dimension. You also can choose the diameter. So you select the circle, and then it pop up the dimension. So you no need to like draw the symbol for the radius of the symbol for the diameter. It already automatically done for you. Okay, so you already have all the dimensions. So this part's already done, the dimension. So the next one, let's say if you want to have a different layer for every object. For example, this one you want to have a different layer, and the dimension also you want to have a different layer. So you can make it by click on the layer properties. So let's say this dimension I already done the layer, this one, the dim. So if you want to add layer, you can go to create a layer, create a new layer. So it will have a new layer, and then you just exit the window. So this one, once you already create the layer, you can select particular selection. For example, I select the dimension, and then I go to the particular layer that I want. It's so much easy. The next thing that I want to show you is about how to make a block. Let's say you want to do a series or set of a window door. You can come up with only one set of block, and then you just need to insert, or you just need to copy. So normally when you do a door, okay, the example for the door, so I'm doing the door, and then I offset, for example, that I offset to 10, and then so this is a drawing of the door, where you have a different segments, or you have a different um, symbol, square, and then the circle symbol. So you want to make it this door as a block. So you just need to click create a block, okay, and then you type name the block, and then you pick point. Okay, this pick point is actually the base point. Okay, and then you select object, enter, and then okay. So now this door already become a block. So if you want to insert the block, you can click on the block panel and then insert. So you have this door and the window. I already done for the window. So let's say I click the window and then I have the window. If I want the door, then I can click on the door. How about you want to edit the block? So how to edit the block? You can double click, so it will pop up the edit block definition, or you can select and right click and block editor. So the editor window will appear. Then you can edit. Maybe you want to add more line, perhaps. Okay. When done, you just close your block editor and then you save the changes. See, it already changed when you do the block editor. So this is about the block. How to print your work into a hard copy. The step is you can write plot, enter, or you can Control P for printing. So you can choose any of the shortcut, and then you select the drawing to PDF, for example, and then you select on the paper size, and then for display I choose to plot window where I can select the object by myself. And then if you look at this is the size of your paper, and then this is actually where the location of your drawing. So it's on the left side. So I want to be the drawing in the center of the A4 paper. So I click here, center the plot, and then it will appear on the center. And then if let's say you want to in a portrait way, then you do in the portrait way. In the landscape, do the landscape way. It's up to you. And then you click OK. So you save. And then your drawing are ready to be printed. So this is basically how you do your basic drawing. You already understand the tools, the modifying tools, making a basic drawing. I hope you all can explore and try to do the exercise by yourself, and hope you enjoy using the AutoCAD. Thank you.